This is not my victory. It is a victory of the people of Uganda. It is the victory of the people of Kawempe North. I thank you, residents of Kawempe North, for standing firm against the dictatorial system, the dictatorship of General Museveni and his allies. Indeed, you have stood against him. Sincerely, this victory wouldn't have come. I thank NUP. I thank President Kyagulanyi Ssentamu. I thank the Secretary General, members of Parliament who subscribe to NUP. I thank the foot soldiers, the residents of Kawempe North constituency. I thank you. I thank Ugandans. Your voice has been heard. Thank you very much. Buno si buwanguzi bwange. Buno si buwanguzi bwa kibiina kyange NUP. Buno buwanguzi bw'Abannayuganda, buwanguzi bw'abantu ba Kawempe North constituency. Wabula ekibiina kyange nkyebaza wansi w'obukulembeze bwa President Kyagulanyi Ssentamu n'abo bakulembera nabo nga Secretary General Lubongo yono gwe mulaba wano ne bano abalala abakulembeze baffe olw'okubanga baleese okulaga banna Kawempe North ne Bannayuganda ntiira nga togooka n'olyoka olwanirira ekyo ekikyo. Banna Kawempe North mbeebaza olw'okubanga muyimiridde ne mugamba nedda tuganye Fugabbi, tuteekwa okusigalawo okwagala kwaffe ne kuyimirira. Mbeebaza nnyo abakulembeze b'NUP, President Kyagulanyi, Deputy Honorable Muwanga Kivumbi, Senior Legislators nga Honorable Betty Nambooze n'abalala bangi. Abakulembeze mwenna mwebale okukola emirimu. Ba foot soldiers mwebale. Ba residents ba Kawempe North mwebale. Bannayuganda eddoboozi lyammwe liwuliddwa. Mwebale nnyo, mwebalire ddala. Mukitegedde nti teri asobola kuvuga nga mbalaasi okuggyako nga naawe omugongo gw'oguweseemu. General Museveni musigale nga mumugamba. Bwe munaamugamba ajja kuwulira, obwannakyemalira bujja kukendera. Bwe tuba bakulwanyisa demokrasiya, tusigale nga tulwana nga tetuvaako. Mwebale nnyo, mwebalire ddala.
City Electoral District, and in accordance with Section 77, subsection 1 of the Parliamentary Elections Act, Cap 177, I declare Limbazi Elias who has obtained the highest number of votes to be the elected candidate for Kawempe Division Left Constituency, Kampala City Electoral District, and I have signed as the returning officer. This day of the 14th of March 2025, in Makerere University, votes cast for candidates were 27,596. The total number of rejected invalid ballot papers were 406, and the total number of ballot papers counted were 28,002. The total number of spoiled ballots were 49. Accordingly, to Section 72 of the Parliamentary Elections Act, Cap 177, declare that the total number of valid votes cast for the candidates are as follows: Engena Maitum Edward Stanley, an independent candidate, got 22 votes. Kasacha Henry Mubiru of the Democratic Party got 100 votes. Luemba Luswa Muhammad, an independent candidate, got 240 votes. Luimbazi Elias of the National Unity Platform got 17,764 votes. Muchiri Sadat of the Forum for Democratic Change got 239 votes. Murerwa Hanifa Karadi, an independent candidate, got 381 votes. Musitwa Ismail of the People's Progressive Party got 39 votes. Mutazindwa Muhammad, an independent candidate, got 186 votes. Nambi Faridah Chigongo of NRM got 8,500 votes.
Nalukola.